back to channel how to use Airalo's eSIM on iPhone. So you will just have to purchase, installation and activation in this video. So the first step is that we will just move in the App Store, and right now as you can see I will just have to download it already, and we will just have to open. So right now you will have make sure logged in. So there's an option of popular, local, regional or global. So you'll just have to select the country. So sometimes it will just give you offer for free. So if I just tab on it Albania, just tab on it as well. So right now you will just have to choose your package for the 3 days and 7 days, or 15 or 30 days. So you will just have to buy it from here. After buy, you will just have to go and it will send an email for the confirmation. And after, we will just move in the settings option. After, we will just find the mobile service option, just tap on it and just tap for setup mobile services. So from here you will just have to set up mobile service. So you will just have to can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone, or you will just have to scan a QR code from your network provider. So you will just have to use QR code, just tap on it. So right now you will just have to scan a QR code or enter detail manually. So make sure you will just put the accurate information and just tap for next. So in this way you will just have to install Airalo eSIM on iPhone. That's it. Thank you.